Bert Lauderdale, whether you like it or not. Hey, I'm Bert Lauderdale, this is whether you like it or not. Yeah, it's been a doozy of a day, a lot of cardio done today. Really working on bringing you the best report you can have. Keep a close look on the Twitter account. Bert Weather is the Twitter handle. Go on Instagram, Bert Lauderdale on Instagram. Tweet your mothers, tell your neighbors. Watch it during breakfast while you're eating toast, whatever you do. Yeah, Milwaukee looking damn good in the distance there. Look at her, just look at her, looking all good, lighting up for the night. But yeah, don't you even think twice. This storm is coming through, and I'll be here to report it. We'll have more footage right after this. Hi, Bert Lauderdale here, whether you like it or not. I'm here right in front of Gypsy Taco, the best tacos this side of the river. And I'm not talking Menominee, I'm talking Mississippi. Now we're here with a bunch of good folks here in Milwaukee on a great Thursday night. The weather has been consistently windy all day. It looks brutal, but nothing's happened yet. I don't know if you can see in the background, Mother Nature wants to give us a wink real quick. Alright, nothing, but maybe she will later. Anyway, we're going to keep going. We're here with some of the locals. There's a fire going, there's tacos, there's drinks, the tunes. We have a local here right now. One of the, sir, how do you feel about Mother Nature and the weather today? What have you been seeing today, and how do you feel about it?
I was Wisconsin, so I came prepared. It's like, yep, it was way too like this, but also I got the shorts too, just in case. So you never know.
So what? So, hold on. So we're gonna go on Snapchat. So what he's saying is he was on the basis of it might be nice enough to go to the beach, but then it might be nice enough to go on the town as well.
Right, you gotta give them
rain or shine.
stay prepared.
You gotta be prepared. Sir, what's your name?
Chris Gilbert.
Chris Gilbert here. I appreciate you talking to us today. Hopefully we'll get another shot here in a little bit with Mother Nature coming through. There's lighting in the distance there. That's it. I'm Bert Lauderdale. This is whether you like it or not. We'll be right back. Whether you like it or not. Hug your mothers, tweet your fathers. We'll be back after this. Oh God. Yeah, it's a bit windy out here. Waiting for the storm to come through. Hoping my beard doesn't fly off.